Hi, I'm Kristen Kane in the Sun Sentinel newsroom. The CDC is changing their recommendations when it comes to vaccinating seniors for whooping cough disease. This after the number of cases seems to be on the rise in some states. Florida is not on the list. In the past, the CDC raised concerns that the vaccine could harm seniors, so doctors were reluctant to vaccinate them. But health experts are now saying it won't harm them and that the vaccines are key to preventing seniors from spreading the illness to kids. For more, go to sunsentinel.com/health.